Hello everybody, this is Oliver the Cat, and welcome to Oliver's Learning Curve.
Hello little kitties! Today we will be making our word library. We will begin our first 10 words. I'm excited, my little kitties. Are you? Let's begin. We have the word I. Let's use I in a sentence. I am great. Our next word is can. Let's use can in a sentence. I can run. Our next word is we. Let's use we in a sentence. We can run. Our next word is the. Let's use the in a sentence. The sky is blue. Our next word is at. Let's use at in a sentence. Tim is at home. Our next word is am. Let's use am in a sentence. I am happy. Our next word is it. Let's use it in a sentence. We can have it. Our next word is up. Let's use up in a sentence. Up we go. Our next word is no. Let's use no in a sentence. Mom said no. Our next word is yes. Let's use yes in a sentence. Yes, we can.
I'm asking you to believe, not in my ability to bring about change, but in yours. Yes, we can.
I hope you enjoyed the learning curve. I am Oliver the Cat saying, meow, my little kitties.